A good journalist zigs when others zag. And I think an entrepreneur is that same way. An entrepreneur makes note of a trend where others will say, oh, I guess that's what the kids are into nowadays. The entrepreneur is thinking, what are the business implications of that sort of thing?
You've got to find a customer and you got to convince them. And once you have them, you got to hold on tight. You got to grab that customer. They become the ones who help you. So don't settle for a fine relationship. Go for that fantastic. Move them up the chain.
An entrepreneur will know his competition, know what his costs are, know who his suppliers are, know what his concerns and pain points are. That word know is important here. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer.
People fall in love with brands. They trust them. You develop strong loyalties to them. You choose to buy them over others, and you believe then in their superiority.
Focus is required for us as entrepreneurs to succeed. We are threading the needle already, just being entrepreneurs, having to scrape for every scrap of resource that we can in order to survive in the market. And so for us to maximize opportunity for ourselves and our businesses, we have to figure out where to focus that energy.
So the art of actually building community is the art of designing interactions that build trust over time. Those interactions have to be rhythmic, they have to be constant, they have to be recurring.
Startup is basically a journey of reducing risk. When you start your company, you have infinite risk. You've done nothing, you've accomplished nothing. And in that sense, the value of the company is at its lowest value. And over time, as you bring the risk down in your company, the value of your company goes up.